It's been a minute since I did a video on this, maybe like 2 years, and we're still running strong. So it's 2013 Focus ST, super dirty right now, but I'm running a Borg Warner EFR 6758 turbo, 0.85 AR, and I mean, she's running great. I did have to change the downpipe to the MRX, one. So I had to get rid of the Cobb downpipe. Now it sounds a little different. So some people like it. I prefer the Cobb. But here's a cold start. Way better under load, way better when you're actually driving it, going through boost or whatever. And right now it's hitting about 30 psi on this tune, which is right around 380, 400 horsepower depending on what you got going on. Most important gauges, make sure your ignition correction stays positive, your air fuel ratio, boost pressure. You don't really need to monitor too much, make sure you don't spike out though, I guess. But you do have this gauge here, which doesn't really help you because that only goes to 25 and we're running above that. Don't go by that temp sensor. As you know, in these cars, that's not a real. If you really want your temperature, go to your access port, because that is just simulated. The car's not hot. I don't even have oil temp yet, so I mean, that's not a true reading. But yeah, the car's been running great. I mean, look, 150,000 miles, no problems. I mean, it's a beautiful car, and it's fast. The other day there was an SRT8. What is it, Challenger? Yeah, SRT8 Challenger, and we gave it a run, and I mean, we were neck and neck. He didn't pull on me. It was like a painting, just hanging there. And that's the SRT8. That's, what is that, like, it's got a Hemi, big V8, and he had an exhaust. I mean, that thing was so loud I had to look at my RPMs to tell when to change gear. Like, I couldn't even hear my car over his car. But this little car kept up with it. Surprised a lot of people with that turbo. We'll do a better video and we'll actually get it running, going through some pulls.